All right, guys, thanks for tuning in to another great episode. In this episode, we're going to discuss a little trick with masking tape. Keep watching to stay tuned and find out what it is. You may or may not know about this already, but it's a nice little trick. Let's get to it. All right. So, in this episode, as I discussed, we're going to talk about masking off areas and a little trick that some of y'all may know and may not. Now, a lot of guys I'll see when they go to like mask an area off before you paint, you'll see a guy, he'll put a piece of tape here. You'll see him, he'll be starting over here. And he'll put another one here. And another one there. And he'll just keep going around in random situations. Well, you got to think, when you paper all this off and you actually paint it, this paint gets totally covered. This tape gets totally covered up with paint. So half the time you can't even see these edges anymore, like where to start peeling. You could spend 30 to 45 minutes just trying to pull masking tape off, and it'll frustrate you. So, what I'm going to show you here is a little trick that I do that I've found from some old timer, but I'll split this one in half. So on your first row, just pick a middle point that you want to start. Let's say I start right here. I'm going to mask this off. On your first piece, just kind of double it up on the edge here and make yourself like a little pull tab. So from here on out is where it's important. Don't start this way and don't randomly start putting them everywhere. On every little piece, overlap each other in the same direction. Keep going, just like this. This one overlap that one, this one overlap that one. Keep going. All the way around. Even into the curve. Painter's tape helps better because you can stretch it. But if you don't have it, work with what you got. So just keep working your way around. And I'm not really paying attention to how accurate it is. I'm just giving you a demo here. And this tape's kind of old anyway. But yeah, just keep working it around. One overlapping the other. One overlapping the other. One overlapping the other one. So anyway, you keep going all the way around and butt this one up here. So when it comes time, this thing is fully covered with paint. You can't see any more of these seams anymore, and you're trying to figure out, okay, where do I start? Now you know where to start. You got your tab here. So when you're ready to pull all this off, you go to your tab, you start pulling, and because you overlapped, they all start peeling off at the same time. See that? All the way around. One clean. Now, sometimes it may tear, but you can at least pick up from there. And it just keeps going all the way. You'll go all the way around this in one complete pull if it doesn't tear on you. And it doesn't take no time at all. Versus having pieces all over the place and you're trying to dig one here and dig one there and dig one here, especially with paint on it, it's a lot tougher. So that's just a trick. I didn't know if y'all knew about that, but that's a trick to do with masking tape that'll save you a lot of time. And also wanted to mention that I will be uploading videos all weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so stay tuned for that. We'll start on the sanding part of the truck here. We're going to get the sanding part and the primer, and then we'll start with the body kit. We got a little kit here to pull out dents and stuff, glue sticks and all that, and we'll use that kit and see how well it works out. So hopefully y'all like this short little video. It's just give y'all a heads up on a little trick to do. So thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure and watch all weekend if you're bored and you're quarantined inside and you need something to watch. And until next time, keep it simple. Keep it seek.
Woo!